So I'm curious, Keith, in the last 24 hours, have you gotten more questions about the weather in Maine or the weather in Buffalo?
Definitely Buffalo. Yeah, it's like one of those transcendental weenie events. Like everybody's a little into the weather, and this kind of thing really piques people's interest. It's wild. I mean, there were some reports already of 4 feet of snow.
We're thinking about naming this Transcendental Weenie Week.
Yeah.
For meteorologists.
No, or like just anytime I'm here. Yeah, it's been crazy. And we're actually I'm going to show you a radar loop for there in a second, but we do have 4 feet reported in a couple of spots. So just think about that. Portland's all-time record, 32 inches, which was a lot. You don't need more than that. Visible satellite looking good. Mixture of sun and clouds for most of the day. Now we're partly cloudy as the sun has set. A couple of snow showers out there, really light stuff. But a quick dusting is possible just south of Bangor there. Greenville up into Presque Isle as well. And then these will likely die out as they try to move further east over the mountains. Current temps are in the mid-30s in most spots, 33 in Bangor, 29 in Greenville, already 24 in Caribou, so it's going to be very cold there tonight, likely in the single digits, 8, 9 degrees by early tomorrow morning. Most of us, though, 20s and then teens under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, I think, is a brighter day or more consistently bright day compared to today. The sunshine should last basically from start to finish. Temperatures, though, no different. Upper 30s, low 40s. And remember, the sun angle this time of year doesn't have a whole lot of impact on temps, unlike what it does during the summer and the early fall when it's a big part of the whole equation. Sunday, more clouds come in. Isolated flurry this time. Better chance of a flurry or snow shower along the coastline because we've got a storm out here that just never really got its act together, but it's got a little moisture. You can see as it moves up to the coast with a couple of snow showers there through the middle of the day. And by late afternoon, we're back to partly cloudy, but temps, again, are the same in the upper 30s or so. So this is our pattern. It is the exact opposite of what our pattern was for a few weeks. We had a big ridge pushed into Canada, big trough this time down into southern Georgia and northern Florida. And so that will keep our temperatures below average. And it will also kind of expose us to a chance of storms. The first one there on Sunday never really got together and it misses us. But maybe something late next week could catch everything just right. And the models have been consistent here in saying there is a storm out there Friday into Friday night of next week, recognizing it's 7 days away, also recognizing it's a strong signal. So the low's right here, there's a blocking high to the north. So the question really will become, is that a snow event or is it a rain event? There's something cooking out there, but until then, it's going to be quiet. Here's a look at the radar in the Buffalo area. See, Buffalo proper, so to speak, is doing all right, but the 48-inch amounts are right here, and that's going to go on for a while based on the wind direction. That's the thing about lake effect snow is, in theory, it's almost an unlimited situation. As long as you keep the cold air over the warm water, it keeps snowing. So there they have it. All we've got is quiet weather and turkey. It's doing something there on Thursday. I do think the travel before Thanksgiving will be good. Even looking at it nationally, it's pretty good. Well, obviously, as long as you're not going through the Great Lakes area specifically. And then maybe that storm on Friday into Saturday. Again, I think something's going around, but I will tell you that, at this range, it gives you all solutions. One run, it'll give you a snowstorm. The next one, it's way inside. It's raining. So we have no idea.
Sure.
There's something out there, and that's really the next major thing. So we were relatively quiet until then.
You don't need a big snowstorm over Thanksgiving weekend.
We do not, no, because a lot of people are coming back during that time period, so we'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah, we'll let Buffalo have that.
Yeah, exactly. A localized snowstorm.
Thanks, Keith.